What's up guys? Dito na naman tayo sa bagong port. Kakarating lang namin. Dito na tayo sa Port of Freetown, Sierra Leone. Nasa Sierra Leone na naman tayo guys. Freetown Terminal. Simpuhan natin yung sunset guys. Ganda ng sunset. Guys, at the moment nag-start na yung discharging operation namin. That's it for today guys. Thanks for watching.